Hello lovelies, welcome to Just Noble Crafts. Today I'll be showing you how to bead on a dress such as this. We call this the curve fringe, and we're going to show you two methods, as you can see in the first video and the second video, on how to bead on an outfit like this. So before we start, I would love to encourage you from the word. Mark 9 verse 43. If your hand causes you to sin, cut it off. It is better for you to enter into life maimed, rather than having two hands to go into hell, into the fire that can never be quenched. Praise the Lord. Going forward, this is the front of our gown. We're going to use the size 2 sand beach and our needle and thread. So I'm going to make 3 inches. I wanted the width to be 3 inches. So I first of all found the middle of the gown, then did 1.5, that's 3 inches to have an accurate measurement. This method actually is because I didn't put a satin or any material that will enhance the look of the bead in this first technique that I'm doing. So I didn't even count. I just went accordingly. I didn't count the beads, I just went accordingly. But when you put the satin or any material that will enhance the bead, that will enhance the color, that will make it pronounced, you go according to the material. You just be going step by step. You can make it fuller. When you're making it fuller, that means the beads will be clustered, will be close to each other. But this one, I left 1 inch by the length, like going down. I left 1 inch, so it was a bit scanty. If you want it to be full, you cluster it, make it very close so that it will be full. Not this for the DIY. So this is how you go about it till you get to the end. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so. You subscribe, you like and share to get DIYs such as this. If you want any tutorial, or you have any beading technique that you want us to practice, you can send a message on the comment section, or you come to Instagram or Facebook, just Noble Collection, just underscore Noble underscore collection on Instagram or Facebook. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to watch this video to the end to understand what I did. Thank you guys. Bye.